Welcome to Tie Summit America. We're very happy to have you join us today to take a journey through our manufacturing facility and see how we're using the Plex platform and Mach 2 integration to really optimize our business practices. Tie Summit America is a part of the Tie Summit Corporation based out of Thailand. It's a woman-owned company. Dr. Samporn and her family have really helped to build the organization in the Americas. We have been working diligently with our top customers, Stellantis, Ford Motor Company, General Motors.
We make a lot of Class A panels for a lot of the major OEMs. Half of the facility is basically stamping, the other half is assembly, and we use just about every type of assembly process that you can imagine to put our parts together. We were using a fairly antiquated system. It only dealt with production.
It was a system that lent itself towards different departments creating their own silos of information. Lots of duplicative spreadsheets across departments and not very much communication between departments.
We wanted to be able to get a system that linked everything all together. We wanted to get a system that would help us develop processes and tracking for a lot of our information. Plex offered a more user-friendly, a more widely encompassing system.
When we started out here really developing the modules within Plex, we started with the basics, and indeed that was like cleaning up the data and looking at the original setup and the focus of what was needed for the company. The next step really was the what ifs. Where could we go and what could we do to really drive visualization out on the shop floor?
The workflows are really, I think those are one of the most powerful tools, because everywhere we've experienced a communication gap or where there's a part of a process that we didn't catch, we've been able to write a workflow that forces people to ask these questions. So all of our lessons learned get folded into our workflows. It helps to make sure that everybody is asking the right questions, that we're not leaving money on the table, we're not missing some part of a engineering change or process or procedure or part of a simulation. Every communication, every dollar you've lost that you've said we shouldn't do this anymore, that's what Plex has helped us to smooth out here.